Tito, come on. Come on, Tito. Main picture.
I was trying to put my shoulders
Cheese,
and you were
Tito.
pulling up and you were pulling down.
Pitito.
Ready, guys?
¿A poco Betito se ríe?
A veces.
De vez en cuando.
Okay, they're launching. Come on.
Betito.
I'm right here.
Wait, I'm gonna go this way.
Already. So go. Maybe he'll hurry up.
Apple, banana, cookies, oranges, grapes. I'm looking this way. Grapefruit, passion fruit. 1, 2, 3. What the heck?
Okay, ready?
So let's start counting. 8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Start running.
Go get it.
Go get it.
Watch the kids when they cross the street.
Watch the street.
Hey, kids, you're gonna cross the street. Be careful crossing the street.
They'll be all right. They'll live. We got insurance.
No, but the little ones, they don't know.
It's all right.